Hey guys, Richie here, and today I'm just going to be maybe doing let's call it like a mini day in the life today. So right now I'm just sitting out. It's not a balcony, it's the fire exit. See, we got the hall right there and stuff. And then once you come down the hall to get down, it's out using the elevator, which I think you're actually supposed to use the elevator when there's a fire. No, I'm just kidding. But you walk down the stairs, and then there's a scary. I almost fell. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm just looking at the nice view right now. It's so cool. You could barely see the mountains. It's so smoky. I think it's because they're burning their crops right now. All the farmers and stuff. Which is so weird. It's so cool. Don't worry guys, I won't drop you. I will not drop any of my fans on YouTube. No, never thought, but my subscribers, you're my wolf pack. So if you subscribe to me, you join my pack. I'm like the wolf leader. So subscribe and you could be a wolf member. Yeah, so I'm gonna go down to 7-Eleven to get some snacks. Got some money. Also, I'm going to go to 7-Eleven, get my snacks, and then we're going to watch Plan B True, me and Ethan, new skate, not new, I think it came out in 2014. It's a skate video part from Plan B, one of my favorite companies, which is awesome. So I'm just walking down the hall waiting for my mom. She's going to get the motorbike keys. I will show you guys driving on the motorbike. It's so fun and scary. Here's the motorbike we rented. Yeah, it's cool. You lift up that seat. I'll show them how. You put the keys in the ignition, and then you go like that. And you press the seat button. Okay, it
has to be on opener. No, it has to be on opener.
Seat button. Oh my gosh. Then you lift this up, and there's my helmet. There's my helmet that I have to put on, but I forgot. And I'm wearing a hat, so I want to go down it on my skateboard all around it. It'll be so fun. I'll do that some other time. So I'm going to turn this off real quick so I can get on the motorbike without dropping it. So see you when we're driving. We're driving! Whee! So we'll drive to the 7-Eleven, not dropping the camera. Get an overhead view too. Oh my gosh, I'm holding on with one hand. I've done this multiple times, which I'm supposed to be holding on with two. It's more safe, but I wanted to film, so it's so cool. For the first time I rode this motorbike, I wasn't actually as scared, but like one time, my mom, we were like turning in Thailand, if you don't know, we drive on the left side of the road. Drive on the left side, and then so there was a car coming through this alleyway, and she went to the right side of the road, and luckily they stopped and they weren't going super fast, or we would have crashed. Oh, it was so scary. But yeah, my mom knows how to drive a motorbike. It's so cool. So we just drive down here. Motorbikes are I thought they were going to be more scary when I first rode them, but it wasn't as scary as I thought it was going to be, as long as my mom doesn't drive crazy. And it's fun. It's so cool. You guys are lucky you can like see the skating, like, I have to sit down the whole time. But yeah, see, there's the mirror. So if you that was scary. But if you don't know, there's no crosswalks, only in like certain big areas. So you just run across the street, I guess, kind of like jump from. Whoa. Okay, we're here at 7-Eleven. I have to get off now. Let's go buy some snacks. Two Cokes, one for me and my brother. Oh man, do I want sour cream and onion? Or do I want barbecue? We got the milk. We got almost everything, so let's go check out. I'm holding this wrong and it hurts my arm. So the hat couldn't fit in there because of the milk and all the snacks me and Ethan got. So I have to wear my hat under my helmet, which is kind of embarrassing driving down the street wearing a hat under the helmet. So let's go. So here's where I hold on to onto the back of the motorbike, which is little like handlebars right there. And then at the bottom there's like feet things you step on right there. My mom's just buying some fruit, so yeah, I have to hold on to one while I'm videotaping back home. So yeah, let's go the back way home. So we don't want to have to turn on the right side, well, the left side to get home. So there's another way. You have to like get out of the 7-Eleven. So we gotta get out of it, out of the parking lot.
I'll wait till after that bus.
A giant bus comes. That's where it's So now we're just waiting for the other buses to go. There's like mini buses. They're like private buses, which is cool. Love them. We're gonna be going to Laos. I think that's how you pronounce it. Laos. Okay. We're gonna be going to Laos in a couple weeks. So we gotta save as much money as possible. So here's a little U-turn thing. So scary. So yeah, hopefully I can videotape, maybe do some skating on that video, which would be awesome. So on the way home, and this is the back way. It's like a mini alleyway kind of, more than the main road. And there's like little restaurants, like there's a cow soy restaurant, which is my favorite food, which is, it's so yummy. If you guys ever come to Thailand, cow soy restaurant. So we're just going the back way, and there's like a walls and everything's like cheaper there than 7-Eleven. I didn't feel like having to walk there again. So yeah, so we're almost home in the back way, and there's the house, and then we turn here, and yeah, so it's next to another restaurant that we've never been to, the hotel, but in like 6 or 7 in the morning, school starts playing drums and stuff, so I wake up pretty much really early. Unless it's like a Saturday or Sunday, I sleep in as long as I possibly can. And then I get up and then I play Minecraft on my phone with my brother, which is what I do. So yeah, let's get inside the house. So I gotta take off my helmet with my embarrassing hat under it, which oh my gosh, I can't get it off with one. Okay, I got it. And it's off. But my subscribers, you're my wolf pack. So if you subscribe to me, you join my pack. I'm like the wolf leader. So subscribe and you could be a wolf member.